For our undergraduate students, research at Grand Valley really provides an opportunity for them to actively engage in their learning. So it's not just what happens within the classroom, but they come up with their own hypothesis, their own argument, their own idea, and they can actively explore that outside the classroom.
I just want to know what causes it and what can I do to help treat it, to help prevent it, to diagnose it early.
All of the things that come that make you more of a complete scientist or artist or musician or psychologist, that is what the research can do here. And yet I think the most important thing that comes along with it is the real confidence that student gains. When they can start to see, I can do this. I actually can be a person that can strive forward in my field and be successful.
I was really surprised that love played a bigger role in polyamory than polygamy.
Research is really about asking questions and looking for answers, and so it doesn't really need to happen in a lab, right? It can happen in all kinds of contexts, whether it's film, or it's media, or literature, right? I want to do research on this particular author or themes in their writing. We start reframing what research can be, and they ask different questions. They get really excited about it, and so it's a wonderful process to be a part of.
Inside the uncapped ones, you can see larvae of different stages.
Students can get involved in research from the moment in which they step on campus. It can be anything from collecting data for a faculty member's research project. It could be conducting their own research. It could be for one semester all the way through their academic career. The choices are unlimited. It's really up to the students and their interests.
When it comes to doing your own research, though, it's on your own time, and it takes that discipline.
The experience of doing the research, of training yourself or maybe disciplining yourself in a way to think through a problem or an issue scientifically can be extremely beneficial and really, really applicable to almost any context you find yourself in after you leave Grand Valley.
I was able to go outside of my comfort zone, go to another university, improve myself there, that the skills I've learned at Grand Valley can be applied elsewhere.
I'm working with students who would love to go to graduate school, who are expected to have a demonstrated competency in certain areas that they get working in the lab, and so it makes their application to a graduate program better.
I'll be starting my PhD at Cornell this fall, so I'm hoping to continue with the same type of research.
I was a McNair Scholar as an undergraduate, and being involved in undergraduate research absolutely changed the course of my life. So I'm really, really invested in students understanding how rewarding this process can be.
Being an undergrad researcher at Grand Valley has been the most life-changing experience of my entire life, actually. I changed my career path because I want to now go into research in a very specific field, and I would never have known what area of research to go into if I hadn't been exposed to so many different types of chemistry.
The people that really drive this are the students. They are the ones that drive the success in their career.
I want you to contract this for 1 second. So cool. Go ahead.
Across the board, art, music, history, psychology, math, engineering, all the sciences, there's a lot of cutting edge work that's done here and done with students. And so that's what's outstanding about Grand Valley.